At number 10, we have the Tulip One-Step Tie-Dye Kit 15 Color Party Kit, Standard, Rainbow. This kit is perfect for a fun-filled tie-dye party with enough supplies for 5 people. It includes 15 easy-squeeze bottles of highly concentrated, non-toxic one-step dyes in popular colors. Just add water to activate, and you're ready to create vibrant designs. No need to pre-soak fabrics in soda ash, simply add water and get started. The kit also comes with a step-by-step technique guide featuring over 8 tie-dye looks to choose from. The dyes are safe to machine wash, and the colors remain bright and bold even after repeated washings. At number 9, we have the synthetic Rit Dye More Liquid Fabric Dye in Graphite. This 7-ounce bottle offers a wide selection of beautiful colors for your creative projects. Perfect for creating fun and colorful tie-dye, ombre, dip dye, marble, and other patterns, this dye delivers vibrant color to any synthetic fiber. Whether you're using a washing machine, plastic container, or stainless steel sink, it's easy to get started. Add a pop of color to your fabric with this versatile and high-quality synthetic liquid dye. At number 8, we have the Winson's Tie-Dye Kit, featuring 8 non-toxic, permanent fabric dyes. This all-in-one set includes everything you need: 8 separate squeeze bottles with dye, 8 protective gloves, 40 rubber bands, 8 dye packets, and an instruction sheet. Designed for ease of use, simply add water, dissolve the dye, tie your shirt in the desired pattern, apply the dye, and let it sit for 6 to 8 hours. Perfect for creative classroom activities, homemade gifts, and more, this kit provides vibrant, fade-resistant colors for t-shirts, hoodies, socks, dresses, and other absorbent fabrics. Ideal for parties, family gatherings, and as a gift, the Winson's Tie-Dye Kit enhances relationships through creative, colorful fun. Safe and non-toxic, it's suitable for children aged 3 and above. At number 7, we present the HTVRONT Tie-Dye Kit, featuring 32 vibrant colors in pre-filled bottles. This large capacity kit includes 32 pre-filled 60 ml squeeze bottles with 3 g of powder each, along with fully configured tools and a detailed instruction manual. Perfect for both kids and adults, simply add water to activate the dye, pre-wash your fabric, and start creating bright, non-fading designs. Ideal for natural fabrics like cotton, silk, modal, and linen, the kit ensures vivid colors that remain bold through regular machine washes. Safety is a priority with non-toxic materials that meet ASTM D4236, EN71, ROHS, and MSDS standards. Easy to use, this kit is perfect for summer camps, group parties, classroom activities, and festival gifts. Create unique designs on t-shirts, socks, dresses, and more with the HTVRONT Tie-Dye Kit. At number 6, we have the Zenacolor 20 Fabric Markers Pen Set. This set offers an array of intense, vibrant colors, perfect for adding your personal touch to various projects. The fine, precise tips make it easy to create detailed designs. Made from high-quality ink, these markers resist fading and can be machine washed in cold water. Simply apply the fabric paint and let it dry for 24 hours, no heat required. Ideal for light-colored fabrics such as tote bags, t-shirts, sneakers, and banners, these markers are also versatile enough for use on paper and canvas. Easy to use, they are suitable for beginners, children aged 3 and up, as well as adults. The Zenacolor team is dedicated to exceptional customer satisfaction, always ready to assist you with any concerns or questions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. At number 5, we have the Tulip Color Shot Instant Fabric Spray Color in a 3 ounces black spray can. This aerosol fabric spray is perfect for both natural and synthetic fabrics. Ideal for all-over color or for use with stencils, it dries quickly and remains soft to the touch. Enjoy even coverage without drips or splatters. This permanent fabric spray is machine washable, making it a great choice for customizing clothes. It works best on light-colored fabrics, allowing you to blend colors seamlessly. At number 4, we have Rit Dye RIT COLORSTAY, an 8 fluid ounces clear solution. This product locks in color, reducing bleeding and fading while enhancing the vibrancy of your fabric. Perfect for both dye projects and commercially dyed fabrics, it's best used immediately after tie-dye or dip dye projects to prevent dye from bleeding into white areas. It works exceptionally well on cotton, linen, rayon, ramie, or fabric blends containing these fibers. Made in the USA, RIT COLORSTAY ensures your creations stay bright and beautiful. At number 3, we have Rit Dye Liquid in an 8 ounces bottle, available in a wide selection of colors including black. Perfect for creating beautiful tie-dye, ombre, dip-dyed, marbled, or shibori patterns, this dye can be used on clothing, shoes, accessories, and home decor. It's great for rejuvenating faded colors or coordinating colors together. Delivering vibrant color to any project, Rit Dye Liquid makes it easy to get started with just a washing machine, plastic container, or stainless steel sink. At number 2, we have Rit Dye 88150 All-Purpose Liquid Dye in an 8 fluid ounces bottle, black. This dye delivers vibrant color to almost any type of fabric or fabric blend, including cotton, linen, silk, wool, rayon, ramie, or nylon. It can even color wood, wicker, paper, and cork. Perfect for rejuvenating faded clothing, changing the color of apparel, shoes, or accessories, and coordinating home decor. It also hides laundry accidents. Get creative with easy dye techniques like ombre, dip-dyed, marbled, shibori, or tie-dye patterns. With over 1,000 color recipes available on Rit's website, you're sure to find the perfect shade for your project. For fabrics with 35% or more polyester, acrylic, or acetate, use Rit Dye More synthetic fiber dye instead. At number 1, we have Rit All-Purpose Liquid Dye in an 8 ounce bottle, royal blue. This dye delivers vibrant color to almost any type of fabric or fabric blend, including cotton, linen, silk, wool, rayon, ramie, or nylon. It can even color wood, wicker, paper, and cork. Ideal for rejuvenating faded clothing, changing the color of apparel, shoes, or accessories, coordinating home decor, and hiding laundry accidents. Get creative with easy dye techniques like ombre, dip-dyed, marbled, shibori, or tie-dye patterns. With over 1,000 color recipes available on Rit's website, you're sure to find the perfect shade. For fabrics with 35% or more polyester, acrylic, or acetate, use Rit Dye More synthetic fiber dye instead. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations.